Okay, so I will illustrate on how to handle the car park light again. Go to the folder that we need. Call out the file. So this is file we have. Do a F home key. Home key, you will see this, right? So the home key will bring back everything to uh, the trimetric view. That's a model space that we are familiar with. So now what we have to do is to orientate this bit, right, to the place that we need. Okay, so we can do scaling first or orienteering first, it doesn't matter. So let me do the scaling first. Scale body, select the body to scale, select the point to scale, the point to scale, we can pick up the arc center. Okay, so then the arc center will be here. All right, pick this edge, you will pick up the arc center there. All right, having done this, so that will be the fixed scaling point. Is it okay? Then how much to scale the product? All right, so we are scaling it by constant vector of 1.006. Okay, say okay, you scale up accordingly. Double click on the scale, you will see the 1.006 appear. That is 0.6%. Okay, so having done this, we will have to rotate this partner to orientate it first. So how to orientate? So we are supposed to orientate the partner, rotate against the x direction, right? At the center point here, rotate it. So let's do that. So we can do a rotate, but we are rotating the WCS and all, right? So you can do a move object, right? Is able to rotate, or move component, right? Or we go to home key. There is another one called move faces. So for move, there is a few things we can do. So this is synchronous modeling. Okay, move. All right. So when we come to move face, it's a synchronous modeling. Right. Move feature, then we are actually moving the feature. Okay. So moves a non-associated feature to a desirable point. This one can be used also. Move face can be used, but we're moving the face. Move feature can use. Move object also can use. Okay. So yeah, either one of these, we can choose move face. So be aware, when we choose move face, we have to select all the faces, like this. So we are selecting 676 faces. So this is move face. It's actually a synchronous modeling. So now after I say move face, click here, right? Then do a angle, means define the motion by rotating rotation angle around an axis. So we know our rotation angle 90 degree about x-axis. So specify vector, we can pick the x, or there is a x there. We can pick the x. Right? So picking the x, then system asking us for angle. So by 90 degree. Right? Enter, key in 90 degree, enter. Okay, you go that way. So where is the point? X, Y, Z, 0. For that point, let's give it at the center point, right, of here. Okay. Okay, and we say okay. Down here must be 90 degree, right? Okay. Okay. Do a home key. It should work. Okay. Like that. That is how to orientate the part by move face. So after move face, we identify the isocline curve. Okay. Isocline curve. Which face? This face, this face here. So if we have currently the selection is tangent faces, you pick everything. So we change the tangent face to single face. So we pick up a face only. So pick up this face. So then the face is selected. Now we do the reference direction ZC plus is fine, okay. Isocline single associative. Okay, so this good. Okay, so done. Having done this, alright, let me go and display my WCS first. So I know where is my coordinate system. So WCS, go key into the search and I display my WCS. Okay, display. So it's over here. So let me just orientate my WCS. Alright, orientate my WCS according to the absolute coordinate system. Okay, so it will be there. So I know that point there is my absolute coordinate. This point here is my absolute coordinate system. I just display it there. So by doing a redisplay, you know exactly where is your WCS. So do a display. So I already display. Because you can do orient. So where if you can orient the WCS, I mean the orient the WCS according to a location, say center of this. Alright. So you move the WCS there. Okay, so orient WCS is as good as move the WCS, work coordinate system. Right? So we want to orient the WCS according to the absolute coordinate system. Alright. According to absolute coordinate system. Okay. So apply. It should go over there. Make sense? So I do again, orient coordinate system. If we do a WCS origin, right, we can always change the origin to any point we want. You can change here. X center, for example. Alright, so that is to change the origin of WCS. Alright, so we can also change the origin of WCS according to absolute coordinate system. Huh? Change to absolute. So absolute coordinate system, we want to change this origin to absolute 0, 0, 0. So set them to 0, 0, 0. Say okay. That will go back to absolute. Make sense? So now we want to change the absolute. I mean, we want to move our part to downward. place the arc center at absolute 0. So move the part, can do a control T, move object, this object, two object. So now I'm moving two object from where to where? Point to point, from point. So I want to move from center of this, okay? So it is the destinates from the center of this object, okay? So the specified from point is done, all right? Specified to point, to which point? Absolute 0, 0, 0, okay? The absolute x0, y0, z0, So we move from, okay, we move from this point to this point, okay? So this point from the screen you can see is that point, to point from the screen you can see is that point there, okay? Okay, then it should go down.